On the midnight of 29 September 2021, the Meghalaya Transport Corporation night bus that was proceeding from Tura to Shillong via Williamnagar and Nongstoin on reaching Nongchram village plunged into Ringdi River as the driver of the ill-fated bus, 45-year-old Everstar Kharumnuid, lost control of the vehicle. 6 passengers, including the driver, lost their lives during the unfortunate incident. Out of the 21 passengers, 16 of them have sustained serious injuries and have been rushed to the Rongjeng CHC for treatment. Police teams from Rongjeng and Williamnagar, fire and emergency services, including senior police officers, rushed to the spot to carry out rescue operations. Bodies of the deceased have been kept at the morgue of the Rongjeng CHC for necessary procedures. Bodies of the deceased have been kept at the Rongjeng CHC for necessary procedures before they are released to family members and relatives. Till the filing of this report, efforts are on to recover the 7th body that is still lodged inside the bus. The co-driver of the bus, Borlang Lingdo, along with 2 other passengers, are still found to be missing.